please note, after the key has been locked, please do not open it again. Do not try to open it again.
Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsèmọ̀gún.
Do you want to unlock your glory? You want to unlock your glory. Maybe you believe that someone has taken your glory and you want to unlock it. You want to recover your stolen glory. And you want to lock it so that they will not have any access to your glory. Today I want to teach you how to use padlock, a new padlock. It doesn't matter if it is big or small padlock. Just buy any choice, any one of your choice. Just get it. This padlock, and you must get this padlock on Wednesday evening. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiola Tiboye, also known as Babi Winje. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and make sure that you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload a video like this on my channel, you'll be the first person to watch it. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of videos that can help your spiritual life. And if you don't understand, you are free to call me on the 07037422552. You can do this. That is why I'm here. I know that you people can do it. My tip, they are very simple and effective. Today I want to explain how to use a new padlock to unlock your glory and to lock your glory. What I mean by to lock your glory is that, you know, this tip is male and female. In Yoruba language, we call it takotabu. Takotabu. And if you lock the glory, if you unlock the glory, you must lock it. The reason why you must lock it is that you don't want anyone to have access to it again. You don't want any bad people to have access to your glory. So that is why you must do the male and female. The male one is unlock your glory, while the female one is to lock your glory. So how to do this? You go to any market, especially on Wednesday, after the sunset, when there is no sun. Maybe around 6 o'clock, around 7 o'clock, buy a new padlock. Buy a new padlock on Wednesday evening. So when you get home that Wednesday, make sure that you have enough of Egbo today and Ewe today, because we want to use the two materials. Ewe today, that is leaf of today, and Egbo today, the root of today. We all know Ewe and Egbo today. It's very common. It's very common. You can go to any local market to get Ewe today and Egbo today. It doesn't matter if it is fresh or dry one. Just get anyone that you see. Just get it. So when you get home, you now place the key. You will open the key. That is one to unlock your glory. Open it. Open the key. Remove the key from the bottom of the key. So from the bottom of the padlock, just remove the key and put both padlock and the key. Put it inside a pot. Then you now put Egbo today. Egbo today, you put it on top of the padlock. You add water to it. That's all. Cook it. Boil it at least for 40 to 45 minutes. Then after that, you now take the water into a bathroom. Then use the water to wash every part of your body. Don't remove the key. Don't remove the key. Next day, you now lock the key. In the morning, just make sure that you do this in the night before you sleep. Use the water to wash every part of your body in the night before you sleep. Then when you wake up in the morning, you take the padlock, you now lock it back. You lock the padlock. You now get Ewe today. Ewe today. We are not going to use Egbo today again. Then you use Ewe today. Ewe today. You put the padlock and the key, put it inside the same pot. Remove the Egbo today, go and throw it away. You don't have anything to do with Egbo today again. Just remove it and go and throw it away. Then you now put the padlock and the key. You put it after the key has been locked. Lock the key, please. Lock it. Then you put it inside the pot. You now put Ewe today on it. Have you done that? Then you now put enough of water that you can use to wash yourself. You now put it on it. Then you now cook it again. You cook it at least for 40 to 45 minutes. Then after that, now take the water. That same morning, in the morning, then you use the water to wash every part of your body in the morning. Then you remove the key. If you like, you can bury it. But it's good if you bury the key or you go and throw it inside the river. You throw it inside the river. But I will advise you to bury the padlock under the ground. That is how to use it. Believe me. Please don't do it twice. You can only do this once in your lifetime. Please don't try it again. That is how to do it. I believe you people will give me a good testimony at the end of this ritual by the grace of God.
Àtọ́tù arére ìròyìn ayọ̀ kan mo mọ́ sí ti gbọ̀nyìn o ẹ tẹ́tí ibò dẹ̀jẹ́ kí n máa bá mi ká lọ mi ò pọ́n méjì èmi náà ni Pastor Brain gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ pé mi ò mú ròyìn ìbànújẹ́ wá fún àfìròyìn ayọ̀ ẹ wo iléeṣẹ́ kan pàtàkì tí a mọ̀ sí Ewéjẹ́ Ben Nigeria Limited wọ́n ti ṣàgbékalẹ̀ ọṣẹ ìyọ́nú àwọn àgbà ọṣẹ ìyọ́nú àwọn àgbà ọṣẹ ìyọ́nú àwọn àgbà produced by Dr. Olatiboye Mutiu aka Babawenje fọ́tò mọ́ mọ́ bọ́ iṣẹ́ àmọ́bọ́ ìyàwó àmọ́bọ́ ọkọ àmọ́ tó wọ́páyé ti kẹ̀yìn sí ẹ ọ̀nà àbáyọ ti dé o ọṣẹ ìyọ́nú àwọn àgbà wò ó májàyà 5,500 pẹ̀lẹ́ ni àgbékalẹ̀ ọ́fíìsì àjẹsí wọn wà ní Unique Avenue Gbága Ìkòròdú Lagos telephone 070 37 42 25 52 lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí 070 37 42 25 52 tàbí 080 29 48 46 96 lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí 080 29 48 46 96 fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá fẹ́ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ lórí WhatsApp 090 53 33 27 47 lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí 090 53 33 27 47. fún àfikún kò sí ìlú tọ́ṣẹ yóò kí n dé o tọ́lá ṣẹṣẹ kó pé nọ́mbà yìí ọṣẹ yóò sì dọ́dọ̀ rẹ.
Èyí tí mo ṣàlàyé náà ni bí a ṣe máa lo padlock tí a bá fẹ́ ṣí ibi tí wọ́n ti ògo wa mọ́. Gbogbo ìrìn ọmọ ẹ̀dá láyé náà tó bá ti fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ ibi síyàn ní ọkọ̀ fàgàdàgodo tí Egbo túdè ló ní kó tún ilẹ̀ kúrò níbi nǹkan aburú yẹn. Ewé túdè ló ní kó tún yín kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run ó máa tún yín lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wá padlock tuntun ní ìrọ̀lẹ́ ọjọ́ Wednesday ní dédé aago 6 ní ká lọ rà. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká rà láàárọ̀ o àwọn oníbèrè ẹ má jẹ́ ká rà láàárọ̀ ẹ má jẹ́ ká rà lọ́sàn-án alẹ́ ní ká rà bí aago 6 ǹjẹ́ a ti rà ẹ jẹ́ ká mú wálé ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣí tá bá ti ṣí ẹ jẹ́ ká yọ kí kúrò nídìí ẹ jẹ́ ká fi sínú pọ́ọ̀tù kan. Egbo túdè kò bá jẹ́ tútù kò bá jẹ́ gbígbẹ ẹ jẹ́ ká kó lé lórí sáti kó lé lórí ẹ jẹ́ ká bu omi tó tó àwẹ̀ sí tá bá ti bu omi sí ẹ jẹ́ ká sè kó jiná bóyá bí 40 to 45 minutes ẹ jẹ́ ká sè tó bá ti gbóná tó bá ti hó dáadáa tó ti jiná ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé pọ́ọ̀tù yẹn bó ṣe wà nù kíní yẹn ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé sínú bítrum tó bá dẹ̀ wù wá náà ẹ jẹ́ ká dá sínú kíkan ẹ má jẹ́ ká mix omi mí pọ̀ mọ́ ẹ má jẹ́ ká mix omi tá fi sẹ́yìn náà la máa fi wẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká mú omi ká fi sanra láti òkè délẹ̀ a kàn fi sanra ni ẹ má jẹ́ ká fi tó wẹ̀ nura tá bá ti sanra tán Egbo túdè yẹn jẹ́ ká kó kalọ̀ dànù kí yẹn jẹ́ ká mú wọlé tó bá ti di àárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì láàárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì ewé túdè náà ti wà ńlẹ̀ tó bá ti di àárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì ẹ jẹ́ ká ti kí yẹn padà ẹ jẹ́ ká yọ kí kúrò díẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká tún fi sínú kòkò yẹn a ti kó Egbo túdè yẹn dànù wá jẹ́ ká da ewé túdè ká dàbò ẹ jẹ́ ká bu omi sí ẹyin tèmi tá bá ti bu omi sí ẹ jẹ́ ká sè kó jiná gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ṣe ṣe tálákọ̀ọ́kọ́ bá ṣe tálákọ̀ọ́ náà ni ká ṣe sè ó náà bá ti hó bí 40 to 45 minutes ẹ jẹ́ ká tún mú omi yẹn náà ẹ jẹ́ ká tún fi sanra látòkè délẹ̀ tá bá ti fi sanra látòkè délẹ̀ kí yìí ẹ má jẹ́ ká sí mọ́ o kì í sí mọ́ o after that tí a bá ti kí yẹn ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé ilẹ̀ ká bò mọ́bẹ̀ tòun àti kọ́kọ́rọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká bò mọ́bẹ̀ tàbí tó bá wù wá ẹ jẹ́ ká bo kí síbi kan ká bo kọ́kọ́rọ́ ẹ tàbí ká lọ jù dànù nídìí ẹ̀ mọ́ ká gbẹ́lẹ̀ kó jìn ká jù síbẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run ọdún tá a bá ṣiṣẹ́ yìí ẹ wà ta mi lọ́rẹ lágbára Ọlọ́run orí gbogbo tó ń fọ irun mọ́ nǹkan tó bá ti jẹ́ tí òun náà ni ó máa jẹ́ tí lágbára Ọlọ́run ẹ wọ ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò ní jù báyìí lọ èmi náà lọ́mọ yín àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín Dr. Mutiola àti bóyá ìtàyẹ̀mọ̀ sí ní jẹ́ ẹ̀rí tó bá dìgbà míì àtúmọ̀ mú ọ̀rọ̀ mi tó yàtọ̀ sí eléyìí wá ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sórí ètò kílè kó fún wa ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní lórí àwọn nǹkan mi ta ti ṣe àti èyí tí a ti ṣe dàbọ̀.
ẹgbẹ́ ewé ń jẹ iwájú sani ti tàwa Ọlọ́run ló dé wa láyé yìí ṣe bóun lóhun tó ṣolókùrò wa lẹ́ṣà ẹgbẹ́ wa ò ní tú o. alright èèyàn mi ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sọ́dọ̀ Dr. Mutiu Taiwo Ọlátìgbòye yìí president ti ya ni èjì rẹ o